And more are today, Winton School. I'm Casey. Welcome to N.E.W.S News for Ra'apa the 10th of June.
Okay, we start the day with Te Kipo o te wiki.
This week's word is ai, which is te reo for yes.
Ka pai. This term, Wednesdays is Library Day, open from 12:40 until 1:10 for browsings, issues and returns.
There are librarians ready to help, and it's nice and warm. Remember to leave your shoes at the door.
Book club orders are due in on Friday, so get those named envelopes into the office.
Remember, every order helps the library earn new books for the school.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the textbooks below.
Yeah,
I'm okay. Okay, yeah.
School choir news. You have a practice in the hall at lunchtime.
Please take a pen and your lyrics and be there at 12:40. I hope you didn't sign up.
Luckily I didn't. Okay, a reminder about some of the grass areas that are getting a bit boggy.
Most students are thinking carefully about where to play and making wise choices in the playground. Kia ora.
High-vis vests. Most students wear them to and from school. Please do likewise.
South Spell News. Can all competitors please meet Mr. T in the group room at morning tea? Thank you.
Okay, birthday news. Just one birthday at Winton School today.
Logan Campbell turns 70 today. Happy birthday, Logan. Have a great day.
And that's all for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S team. Ka kite a pōpō.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay away from the Winton School.